Laser maker. Create more possibilities. Quality. Efficient. Professional. Focused. Shenzhen Superwave Laser Technology Company founded in year 2009. It is a high-tech enterprise specializing in laser equipment research and development, production, sales and service, relying on the high precision, high performance, high intelligence, and full-like precision processing method. The operating strategy of keep improving, save to innovate, and be honest. Let the world fall in love with Made in China is our mission. Superwave laser equipment widely used in mobile digital, panel display, circuit board, glasses and watches, gold jewelry, semiconductor packaging, heat dissipation system, kitchen and bathroom appliances. We focus on cutting, precision welding, and precision engraving. The processing process is strictly controlled and intelligent visual inspection. Distance measurement, positioning, comparison, other technological processes are introduced. The product qualification rate and the production cycle have been greatly improved. At the same time, it can be connected to the user database and MES system to facilitate the user to trace the products throughout the process, prevent selling beyond agreed areas and protect intellectual property rights. With more than 6 years experience of research and development, Superwave Laser has created a professional team, including optical, mechanical, and electrical, that can completely independently design automation solutions. We offer laser spot welding machine, laser mold welding machine, enclosed laser welding machine, robot laser welding machine, handheld fiber laser welding machine, laser scanning welding machine, precision laser welding machine, continuous wave fiber laser welding machine, fiber laser marking machine, UV laser marking machine, CO to laser marking machine, green laser marking machine, flying laser marking machine, fiber laser cutting machine, CO to laser cutting machine, and all kinds of customized machines. Superwave Laser has a modern production workshop of 8,000 square meters, with a CNC machining center production line, which can quickly produce tooling, fixtures and customized automated structural parts. At present, we possess dozens of invention patents, appearance patents, software copyrights, and so on. Superwave Laser will continue to research and develop laser industry and technology, keep focusing on the automation of subdivided industries, and provide customers and partners with high-added value laser automation solutions. Till now, Superwave Laser has sold tens of thousands of laser equipment. 60% of them were exported to the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Australia, etc., with strict requirements, consummate techniques, united as one, to be the best laser equipment solutions provider's vocation. Superwave adheres to the purpose of quality assurance, value creation, integrity management, and the cooperation altogether wins. In the future, Superwave will continually strive to enhance the research and development capabilities, enhance product quality, and provide partners and users with competitive laser equipment and industry solutions. We pursue long-term strategic partnerships with customers and suppliers to achieve the cooperation altogether wins.